Check it out. Here's my tarp shelter for tonight. It goes without saying that it's going to rain. And it's not only going to rain tonight. No, it's supposed to rain all night and all day. So my plans, I have no plans. It's raining everywhere in this country. Doesn't really matter if I go 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Doesn't matter if I go across the whole country. It's still raining. It's raining everywhere, every single day. So I have pretty much given up. But this is what it's like to travel like this. It's not all fun. It's been worse in the past because I didn't have a nice tarp. I would just have to sit under bridges until the storm is passed. Alright, little update for you. It's raining pretty hard. Thunder, lightning. I should be fine here today. Look at the luxurious amount of space that I have. The forecast is saying that it's gonna rain all night and all day until 5 p.m. 5 p.m. So I might be stuck here all day tomorrow. I have no food on me. I only have one bottle. Not even one bottle. More like half a bottle of water. I guess we're gonna let bro sleep in here with me overnight. But obviously tomorrow he has to go. That being said, just have to say goodnight to you again. I'm gonna try to go to sleep, even though there's no point, because it's gonna rain all day. Which means it doesn't really matter if I wake up early or if I sleep in. I do gotta say the sound of the rain, pretty comfy. I'm pretty happy. I am stuck here until like 3 p.m. when it's supposed to stop raining, at which point I will attempt to leave. Tarp is completely wet, so I don't know how I'm gonna deal with this. I gotta put this into my bag. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Okay, the rain has stopped, so I'm gonna pack this super wet tarp with a lot of slugs stuck to it and make my way into the city. See all that slime? Yep, those were slugs coming to cuddle with me at night. They really love this thing for some reason. I love getting into these. Well, it's time to go. It was good staying here for 1.5 days, pretty much. Not really. 3 minutes to the next one. This one's nice and empty. The McDonald's was pretty good, but now I gotta find a place in which to sleep, or at least rest, for tonight. In Ingolstadt. I was gonna go to Füssen, where that nice Neuschwanstein, however you pronounce that, castle is at. But I had a 4-minute transfer, a train transfer, which would have meant if anything happened, if I was late or if the train was late, I would miss it and be stuck in some random town with no woods, no bushes even. The town is nice and quiet. Of course, it's a Monday, so tomorrow's another work day. I gotta go back to work myself soon. The dream is over, not for long. It's so nice when it's not raining, but of course it's gonna rain, potentially soon. Oh yeah, this is gonna be, yeah, this is pretty good. It's like rocks, probably to deter homeless people from sleeping down here. You're not gonna deter me, bro. And yes, it's raining. Good thing I'm under this. This is what I'm working with tonight. Good night. Good morning. It's 7 a.m. As for sleep, it was okay. I slept a little bit. It wasn't too bad. Alright, let's go to the store. Looks like we have a lost cat. Oh yeah, it's supposed to rain at some point. And those clouds look like rain. There's Emma again. Hopefully she's found. breakfast right here is good. Breakfast by the Danube. Let's begin with the salad, of course. Look, it comes with a soy sauce, fish, and everything. That's good. Cheers. Spicy, spicy. Try one of these. It looks like rain is indeed coming. And it's raining. Good thing I can sit right here. Never mind, there's literally shit right there. Thank God for this. I just hope my stuff is staying dry. Blue skies and fluffy white clouds are coming back. And the rain has stopped, so let's keep going. I'm gonna go back to where I slept last night to cook my lunch. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's not supposed to rain anymore today. Tomorrow's supposed to be a sunny, warm-ish day. Okay, this is what we're making: a soon ramen and kimchi shin ramen. Both of them, of course. We're gonna need 1 liter of water, 500 each. Alright, 4 minutes. Check out my view. Yes, I have my food. Pretty good, huh? Oh, nice. Perfect. I'm just gonna sit here until it gets dark and spray myself down. Since I am in the bushes, I don't want any ticks. Well, it's gotten dark. Day's over. I am going to sleep right here. Kinda tight, but it's gonna do. That's it. That's another day of my life gone. Can't really complain. I'm gonna go take a look at the river. It's time to go to sleep. I'm getting cold. Whatever, good night. It was a decent night. Can't really complain. It was a rave last night. The noise was coming from over there. I still managed to fall asleep pretty well. The Füssen house. Is that a baby? Are you a baby? Hello. How nice. I got to see some European bison. I can't sit here. I just realized I gotta go. Otherwise I'm gonna miss my bus to the town, to the city. That's a lot of deer. No time to look at deer. I gotta make it to my bus. Nice beautiful field of wheat. That's definitely wheat. I think the thing that I saw in Italy was barley, not wheat. Next to the wheat, corn. Just outside of Ingolstadt is beautiful rural Germany. Stadt Ingolstadt. Nice, cool entrance to the city. 600 years. This thing is 600 years old. I like this building. I want a house like this. I sit here. At some point I'm gonna make my kimchi fried rice. Took a dip in the river. Have clean clothes on. Stuff is drying. Okay, let's cook. We have the most important part, the kimchi itself. I don't know how good this is gonna be, but it's kimchi. And the second most important part, maybe that's more kimchi than I expected, but it should reduce a bit. And we go in with the rice. It is stir-fried enough that it can be called kimchi fried rice. You have it. Kimchi fried rice. in Germany, Ingolstadt, Germany, by the Danube River. That was good, I can't complain. It's not bad. I said it was spicy, 3 chilies of spice. Not really. Every time I come down here, I hope that nobody took my spot. Thankfully, there's no homeless people in this town. This right here would be a prime spot. Okay, good night. Last night here in this, under this bridge in Ingolstadt, Germany. Good morning, good morning. Nice, beautiful, rainy day. Let me get my stuff in my bag and go to the station. We gotta go. Goodbye. Thank you. It was a good spot.
Você me lembra,